Like,
yeah.
I don't think I want to do that.
Make sure to get all of it. We don't want a proud cut one.
Okay.
Actually, this guy has a better blood supply than that last one we did. Remember that last one was just barely any coming in.
How much?
Yep.
2 minutes.
Caleb?
Oh, those aren't
Oysters?
big enough to save.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
No Rocky Mountain oysters here. She's videotaping.
That's okay. There's a baby.